Unit 14 Business Risk and Insurance. In this unit, we'll discuss meaning of business risk, types of business risk, risk management process, meaning of insurance, principles and components of insurance contracts, different kinds of insurance and how they cover various kinds of business risk. First, let's start with what is business risk. Business risk means the uncertainty of occurrence of economic loss. Based on this term, business risk may be defined as the uncertainty of occurrence of economic loss in the event of any business activity. Business enterprises face a variety of risk and thus risk prevail in activities of business enterprises. Business risk depending on the nature, business risk may be classified as pure risk and speculative risk, dynamic risk and static risk. Risk classified by losses, severity, objective risk and subjective risk, etc. Next one, risk management. Business enterprises have to manage the risk systematically. Risk management process involves 5 steps. First one, identification of the risk. Second one, assessment of the intensity of financial loss associated with each risk. Third one, identification of various tools of risk management and selecting the best combination of tools to use. Fourth one, implementation of the decision. And fifth one, evaluation of the effectiveness of the risk management tools. Next topic, insurance. It is a form of contract or agreement which one party agrees in return of a consideration to pay an agreed amount of money to another party to make good for a loss, damage, injury to something of value in which the insured has a pecuniary interest as a result of same uncertain event. Thus, insurance is a method of securing protection against future calamities and uncertainties. Next, components of insurance contract. Basically, all insurance contract consist of the following 5 parts: declaration, insuring agreement, execution and limitations, conditions, and binder. Next, legal aspects of insurance. The validity of every insurance contract rests upon certain principles. The basic principles which are applicable to various kinds of insurance contracts are utmost good faith, proximate cause, insurable interest, indemnity, subrogation, and principles of mitigation of loss. Next topic, kinds of insurance. Different kinds of insurance cover various types of risk under the following 5 categories: life insurance, marine insurance, fire insurance, motor insurance, and miscellaneous insurance. First one, life insurance. Since life itself is uncertain, all individuals try to assure themselves of a certain sum of money in the future to take care of unforeseen event or happening. Individuals in the course of their life are always exposed to some kind of risk. A life insurance policy was introduced as a protection against the uncertainty of life. Life insurance usually referred to as Life assurance insures the insured against the happenings of certain event, that is, death through the time when it may happen in uncertain. Types of life policies. There are 8 broad types of life policies: whole life policies, endowment life assurance, term assurance, joint life policy, group insurance, children endowment policies, annuity policies, with profit or without profit policies. Second one, marine insurance. Marine insurance is an arrangement by which the insured undertake to compensate the owner of ship or cargo for complete or partial loss at sea. Marine insurance covers ship, cargo and freight. Perils of the sea also include any land risk accidental to sea voyage. The marine policy must specify the following aspects: the names of the insured and the insurer, the subject matter insured and the risk insured against, the voyage of time period or both, the sum assured and the amount of premium. Types of marine policies. The main kinds of marine policies are as follows: voyage policies, time policy, mixed policy, valued and unvalued policies, floating policies. Next, third one, fire insurance. Fire insurance is an agreement between the insurers and the insured whereby the insurers, having received premium, undertake to make a good the financial loss to the extent of specified amount suffered by the insured as a result of damage or destruction of the insured property by fire or other specified perils during a stated period. The contract of fire insurance does not help in controlling or preventing fire, but it is a promise made by a insurer to compensate the loss caused by fire. Next, motor insurance. Owners of motor vehicles can take insurance policy to cover different types of a risk. A. Loss or damage to the vehicle. B. Injuries to or death of any passenger. And C. Damage payable to third parties for accidents. Every motor vehicle drive must be insured for against ability for death of or injured third parties and for the cost of their medical surgical treatment. Though there is no statutory duty to insure against damage to property as well as personal injury, most of the third party policies cover both of this risk. Next one, miscellaneous insurance. There are several other types of covering various other aspects of a risk. Some of them are below: engineering insurance, aviation insurance, householders policies, fidelity guarantee insurance, theft and robbery insurance. Within each of these kinds there are again different types of suit, various requirements. Life insurance relate to human lives while other types of insurances cover property.